Top of the morning, people. It is day 7 of the daily vlog. I am at work just getting off at 8 a.m. Today is September 6, 2020. Today is a somewhat relaxing day, catching up with emails. I'm going to do some DoorDash, some Shipt, get some money in my pocket for this upcoming week. This upcoming week, we got a lot planned. As you guys saw yesterday, we got our equipment for our upcoming show podcast. So I'm going to play around with some of that equipment, that audio, and utilize some of that as I'm building this vlog. And besides that, people, just being blessed, as you guys saw this past couple days on Saturday or Friday night, that weird situation with my neighbor, just a lot of mess. So really what I'm going to do is just kick it, lay low, and just make some money. Because in the next couple months, my goal is just to buy another apartment building, get the hell out of North Minneapolis, and continue to live my life. So I got 6 more months of this shit. So outside of all the ruckus that happens in the neighborhood that I live in, I hope everyone's being blessed where you live. So yeah, today is Sunday. It's somewhat chill, but still busy in the ways that I choose to stay active. And I hope everyone just gets out there and gets physically fit, finds their element. It is day 6 for me of no cannabis, no flower, and just been clearing my mind, clearing my soul, and rebuilding my inner conversation and motivation, really. So feeling great, feeling calm, got a lot more energy. I have a lot less head fog, and I know really people don't know, but really as a smoker, I smoke about 5 to 15 to 20 blunts a day. I smoke a lot. Or I did smoke a lot. So I had to reevaluate, why am I smoking this much? What am I suppressing? And all the pain that's internal and physical pain. Let's just go address it, get some massages, do some Reiki, do some yoga, figure out another alternative to heal, or find another way to not mentally escape. In my sense of escape, smoking, drinking, partying, all that stuff, that's an escape to the reality. My whole entire life is the reality I want to live. So I'm going to build that so I don't have to escape my own reality. So that's why I'm going through this little frequency. Yes, I'll go back to smoking. I love smoking, whatever. But right now, just doing a break to refocus, re-energy, and succeed in the things that I told myself I wanted to. And smoking doesn't hinder me from that, but how I delegate my time when I'm a smoker, I go around more people to smoke, woo, 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 and I'm pushing off emails, I'm pushing off me. It's just, I'm good. And right now, I like the space and the people that I'm choosing to be around, because I've cut a lot of folks off, and it's just different. So I'll go into details of some of the details of like cutting off certain folks, and that's when I like a little later. But yeah, just stay blessed, people. It's Sunday, September 6, 2020, and I don't know how you guys' week's looking forward to, but yeah. Looking for a guest list. I'm going to put a guest list together to interview some of the people for this upcoming podcast. So if you guys are an influencer, have a business, when you want to promote, come on the show, and let's talk business. So hope everyone has a start of the great Sunday. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and stay you. How's it going, everyone? Midday Adventures. Today I'm out in Northeast Minneapolis. I'm going to an event to support a like-minded entrepreneur. I'm going to a workshop she's hosting on healing. For those that don't know, I'm doing a 30, 60, 90 days of healing. Not only healing, but also building businesses and stuff like that. But how do you heal? Those who have been following, I asked the question on Facebook, what is the guide towards healing? Everyone, I believe, is going through something internally, and sometimes even externally. And we may not know the mechanisms to actually maneuver through the turmoil that we may be going through. So she said, hey, come to my event. You can learn how to heal and do all that cool stuff. So, hey, here I am. I'm looking to heal. I'm looking to do some internal healing. And so I'm looking forward to this cool little event. I'm going to give y'all a little spirit. We're out here at this place called Overlook Garden. It's pretty artistic out here. Silence is complacency. Abolish racism. What kind of ancestors do you want to be? That speaks volumes, people. Who do you want to be, and who are you becoming, are some of the trivial things that we must tell ourselves or discover as we continue to grow in life. So, hope everyone's being beautiful. Hope everyone's staying blessed, and see you guys on the flip side.
never see them again. Yeah.
All right, so I just left this event hosted by Lissa, and shout out to Lissa for the cool invite and the cool event. And what it was about was helping people tell their story. We all have a story, and there's ways that we can tell it. So what I wrote was, you don't know me, but my name is, you don't know me, but my story is, I'm a brother of 2 older sisters. I'm a man of faith, ambition, and love. I'm a businessman. I am an author. I am an innovator. I plan to change the world and leave a legacy. I am Denarius Lewis. And it was very cool because they were asking, what is something you would like people for you to know? And just be transparent and authentic. And so what I said is, I'm in the process of healing. I'm in the process of healing from a relationship, from a person I wanted to marry and, spend my life with. And so what does that healing process look like to undo all the things that you currently wanted to do going forward? And so Lissa, I had made a status on Facebook on what is the guide towards healing. Lissa wrote on it and gave me the invite in. The process towards healing is continued work, is what I'm learning. Internal conversations that must be pulled out to be external, and also surround yourself with people who really are doing the mechanism and doing the work for self-love. And so there's so many examples for self-love, but what now for me, self-love for me is me getting out of my house, getting around people I don't know, expressing myself, feeling, and just discovering the feeling that I sometimes lack internally. So I hope everyone's having a great start of their Sunday and end the Sunday. And again, guys, this is the first half, so I'll see you guys on the other side of the success.